Fiji, a surfer's paradise, beckons with its warm waters and picturesque beaches. For beginners eager to embrace the surf, Fiji's diverse spots promise an unforgettable ride. From the hidden shores of Olivali Beach to the eco-adventure haven of Matava, each location offers unique waves amid stunning scenery. The best waves grace Fiji's shores from April to October, the winter months known for consistent swells and favorable winds. Summer brings warmth but less predictability, with the added excitement of cyclone season swells. Always check the forecast and be prepared for the ocean's moods. Before paddling out, ensure you're equipped with the right gear. A soft-top surfboard for stability, a wetsuit for comfort, reef shoes for protection, and high SPF sunscreen for those sunny days. Local surf shops can offer tailored advice to match Fiji's unique conditions. Safety in Fiji's waters is paramount. Surf with a buddy, respect local customs, and protect the reef. Remember, the ocean is a shared treasure. Treat it with care and embrace the local surf etiquette. Respect the lineup, wait your turn, and always wear reef shoes to safeguard both yourself and the coral below. For beginners, Fiji's surf schools are the gateway to mastering the waves. Certified instructors will guide you through the basics, from paddling to wave reading, all while emphasizing safety and fun. Many schools offer comprehensive packages, combining lessons, accommodation, and meals for a full surfing immersion. Beachfront resorts in Fiji offer the ultimate convenience for surfers, with prime waves just steps away from your room. Enjoy amenities like ocean view balconies, en-suite bathrooms, and cultural experiences, all while staying close to the surf. Whether you seek luxury or eco-friendly stays, Fiji's accommodations cater to every preference, ensuring your surf trip is as comfortable as it is thrilling. In conclusion, Fiji's surf spots are a beginner's dream, offering a mix of adventure, culture, and relaxation. With the right preparation and respect for the ocean, your Fijian surfing journey will be an experience to cherish for a lifetime. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.